In this Fixytrade review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Fixytrade. Fixytrade is a software that allows you to reach your trading goals with an automated trading journal. So once you get to the dashboard, essentially you'll be taken here to this main page where you can see your profits you made. It'll be shown in dollars, as this is largely an American software first and foremost. And then you have your win rates, your profit factors, and a slew of information that we'll get into and we'll describe properly. So again, you make your account and you'll be taken here up in tools. You can decide the currency here. So again, it mostly automatically takes you to the US currency, but we'll use GDP, but we'll use GBP, Great British Pound, and language English, naturally your first name and your email. You can upload a user photo if you want to as well, but we don't necessarily need to do that. But if you want to try something a bit more useful, a bit more creative, you can definitely get that user photo in. So now, if we go down, this is actually our dashboard page that shows us our most recent trades. Now, the first thing to know about what's going on here is that this is a demo account. So these aren't real trades we've made, that I've made, that go anywhere or mean anything. These are essentially trades that Fixy has designed for us to show us what their app looks like and how it could work best in our favor. So again, that 100 win ratios here, that's a pretty generous kind of win ratio, win percentage to give. But then you have a profit factor as well, and your worst loss and average loss, and your best profit and average win here as well. So the average profit we're making is £84 right now. And we can see through our portfolios which detail our different accounts and which accounts are doing the different trades, all the information we have here. So the opening time, the close time, the symbol, the side, the size, the entry, the exit, and the pips we've earned, and the duration of it. And duration won't be long as well for obvious reasons. So now, if we go to all time, we can see all the trades we've been making throughout time. And for the most part, we've won with each trade and we've made a good profit. So ranging from £81 to £28 to 43. This one here, this time, 29th of November, we lost £290. So that's not a good one. But you can see again, just through all of this, what we're trading, and the companies are trading within the symbol. So this is Apple, DAX, and you got the euro, US dollar right here that we're trading, currency right there. And again, for the most part, hopefully your personal trades will look somewhat like this, where you win most of the time. But again, this is quite a generous sort of graph to give. And you have the balance you've been accruing over time. So you have from the 11th of June to July and September and November here as well. So again, you have all these dates going through, and we've been doing quite well, just rising up on the chart, even our profit charts as well. We started off just a little bit low, then we dipped and we rose back up, and we eventually got back up here. So that's quite good to have, and that's all time. You can then do it for, say, this week, whatever we've been trading this week. And so in this demo account, they haven't traded anything this week. So, it wouldn't work that way. Well, we see each month again. And then we can choose select period as well. So right now in December, but we can actually choose any period of time which we traded, any block of time. So let's say 11th to 22nd of October. You choose that and it'll take you to what you traded then. It doesn't say anything yet because, again, this is a demo account. So there's only so far they can go in, how much sort of fake trading data they can give you. But yeah, so essentially, if this were your personal account, you'd be able to see all your trading profits and your spends all through here in the same way we saw the dashboard when we went to all time here as well. And we got some good 220 pips as well. You can also see how to get started as well. Before you even get deep into it, the application can help you a lot. So how to get started, it will take you to a page that basically teaches you how to utilize this app to the best of your ability and how to make it work best for your business. And naturally, you can go and optimize performance best practices. And again, it'll be taking you to performance best practices as well. It'll give you a checklist of things you need to make sure that you've done, that you've utilized well, and that'll help you in your trading. So when we go into portfolios, you can see here that this is the demo account right here that I'm utilizing, and this is the personal tools trade account. So you have that ability to add a new account, and you go in brokers and platforms. So that clicking on that new account will take you to brokers and platforms, and you'll be able to see all these different trading platforms that you can connect to Fixytrade, and it can give you your analytics on how your trades are doing within those platforms. We have spreadsheet here, which is very useful, MetaTrader, Active Trades, ADSS, Alpari, Alvexo, and ATFX. So these are all quite useful. Again, it's quite a lot. I don't imagine you'd be utilizing all these trading applications, but they're very helpful, especially Trading 212. That's a really popular one as well that can work quite well with this application. So when we go back to that portfolio, can see again, we can actually go deep into our portfolio with everything we're doing. So we have this overview here and the balance we've been accruing over time, just more personally and more detailed right here. And we've been doing quite well on this demo account. Again, you can check it out for this week again, and this month. Again, this month and all time naturally. So things have been going pretty well overall. You can see your trades through here. Can open trades as well, see how open trades work, which are still pending, and again, it'll teach you if you don't understand through here. And we have our journal here as well. It organizes all your trades into a calendar-like format, so you can see which days did the best, which days worked well enough for you to learn what you traded on that day and how you traded, so you can take it across the other days. So right now, Thursday's been doing really well. And yep, you're just able to track down everything much easier through this calendar. And it also ranks your performance here as well. So you're 8 out of 50 on the score, you're an intermediate level, and 3 consistency. So you always be, challenged against the best of your ability. You can see here your win ratio, or win percentage, I should say, apologies, and your profit factor as well, and your consistency, how consistent you're winning between 5 and 6, 3 and 4. So, and you have this nice chart right here to just get it much more clearer. Advanced stats here as well. So again, the whole time for winners, your buy profits, your buy and sell ratio, and your best profit as well. So it's the similar things we saw in general in the overview, but it's just a smaller, more personal way to view each of them. And then we have goals as well. So you can set a trading goal for yourself, essentially. So, if you want a certain amount kind of profit, if you want profit to be your goal, and you want to be tracked daily for that profit, and to, say you want to make 600 profit, you add that new goal, and you'll be measured against that goal to see if you can actually achieve it. And it's just quite useful to just sort of give you that extra boost, in trying to get the best trades possible and invest in the best ways possible. You can also go into Academy as well when you click that, and you'll have to make a whole new account here, but you can have a Fixytrade Academy that'll help you get better in your trading and train you to be the best kind of trader you can be. So that's just something you can unlock through this. And naturally, you have help and support as well. They have a nice Facebook community, so if you click this, you'll be taken to a Facebook page and you'll connect to the community, and they'll help you with any queries there. Or you can send an email through this button, or you can request feedback right here as well. It'll take you here, and you can work with all of this and, give a feature request or flag up any bugs that are happening on the software. So it's all quite useful and quite helpful. And you click settings, you're back to this again, which is your main account page. And that's how Fixytrade works overall. So Fixytrade is very useful. It's very intuitive as well. Even if you don't trade as much, it's really helpful in just helping you to make safe and secure trades, and it tracks and analyzes all your information and helps you find the best patterns to invest and trade with. So it's very useful and very effective. I can recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, please leave them below, and I'll provide a discount and link so you can get your money's worth. Thank you for your time.